stay.
Your hand is so close to touching the other side.
Oh no!
So it happened already.
It literally sparked all the way up. It's trouble with water.
I don't know, I never like to touch, even if it's not running. So you touch both sides.
Little baby. It's smoking. Yeah.
It's firing on 3 cylinders. I wonder if it just has.
It's just your exhaust is smoking. Putting these papers on the top of your box.
Yeah, good idea. Let's move this too. Well, at least it fires and runs.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Ish.
Oh,
It runs better than Gordon's Yamaha.